Hi, it's me again. So this is going to be my cast service reflection. So again, I'm going to be doing the question and answer model. So then, until I receive further feedback on if I should do it this way or not. So, first question, how do you perceive, sorry, to reiterate, my service is rooftop garden. Yeah. So, what do you perceive and notice when doing the cast experience or rooftop garden? It's usually quite quiet because there's not a lot of people there, but but I only notice that when I finish my work because I'm so enthralled in it. Like it's very interesting work. It's still somewhat labor intensive, but it's very interesting because I'm so quiet and everybody else is really so quiet because they're just so enthralled in it. Like nobody, it's not that nobody talks, it's that everybody's so focused in their work. So it's really interesting seeing how that works. So how do you feel being involved in this cast experience? For me, it's quite fun and really, interesting going back to how our ancestors used to live, farming, planting things, watering them, getting, removing dirt, planting. So it really makes me feel humble because I realize how lucky we are to not have to do all these things, to have it just already done for us, pre-done and things like that. So not having to put any effort into it or any just manual labor. So it really makes me humble. So how do you feel being involved in this cast experience? Sorry, my bad. Uh, so what does the cast experience mean to you? So at first, not really a lot when I first started out, but as I kept going, I really understand the importance of appreciating the food we have on our plate because now I understand that even if it's done by machines and things like that, it still requires work to be done, especially if the food is local, right? If it's local, then that means farmers did it, then that means they had to go through the backbreaking work of planting them, bending their backs, and just arching their backs and things like that. So it really makes me appreciate the lengths that we go to provide for so many people, right? What value does this cast experience have? So it shows me the hard it shows you that with the hard diligent work can come satisfying results. But it also showed me to be humble, right? What did you learn from this cast experience, and how might you apply this to your life more generally? So for me, actually it's kind of just as above, really. It's sort of through hard work comes satisfying results, and that's really just the major truth in all of life, right? What does this cast experience mean to you? Sorry, I've done that question, my bad. So what aspects of your learning outcome did you touch on? It's really collaborative skills. Even though I mentioned that we don't talk a lot to each other, we still do help each other, right? Like so, even if there's not like any communication going about with us, it's not that we still talk to each other, right? And we help each other with difficult tasks. So, and then last question: what might you need to do next time? So, I think I would really want to probably think ahead and not just do mundane tasks, but find ways to properly help the rooftop garden in the long run. So, for example, I know that they're having financial problems, so I was thinking about a couple ideas about what I could do to help them with those financial problems. Thank you.